Hey guys, hope everybody had another great day today. I know I did. Got some exercise done, went out for a run in the rain, got some work done on some ongoing projects. So I'm just laying here in bed, kind of nodding off and thinking about life and the universe, as I often do. And it struck me, and I'll bet a lot of other people have similar thoughts as they're drifting off to bed. It's a good time to think about stuff. It gets quiet. You can just kind of be alone with your thoughts. It can be dangerous too, though. Times it's hard to remember that our thoughts are not necessarily entirely reflective of the reality that spawns them. But it's hard to say for sure. And always good to be introspective. Sometimes when I'm up too late having those thoughts, they turn to despair, loneliness. Hope you guys aren't feeling that right now. I don't really have to because I have all of you, but there's good and bad in the world. It's usually about how you look at it. A lot of times, the way you look at it will change once you gain a little space and time from the issue in question. So, hope you're all having pleasant thoughts. Uh, if you're not, I'm here for you. But I'm sure you're doing fine. I'm going to say goodnight to you guys. I love you. And I will talk to you soon.